Hello, my name is Ashley Lundy. I am here with Guarantee RV in Junction City, and today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of a unit we just took in, a 2013 Fleetwood Tioga Montara. It's a 32M floor plan, so it's pretty long, about 33 feet, and this unit here only has 36,000 miles for being a 2013. Outside graphics, everything looked perfect on it. You're going to have a lot of storage underneath. On the inside here, we got some neat features. If we come around here, you can see something unique about this one. This is going to be a massive recliner sofa bed. You even got your cup holders, got your TV up there. You're going to have another bed up here, so you can sleep a lot of people in this one. Of course, it is going to be on your Ford chassis, Ford's V10 Triton engine. We also have some very nice colors in this one that we don't see every day. This right here will turn into a bed as well, maybe for somebody a little shorter. Over here in the kitchen, you're going to have a double stainless steel sink. You're going to have 3 propane burner grill, as well as an actual oven. Not all these come with ovens, so I like when I see that. And a microwave still. You're going to have a lot of pantry and storage space. And drawers. You can pack all your pans. Fridge. See, this person that traded it in was very patriotic. Beautiful stickers, so up to you if you want to keep them. You have nice windows, and check out this bathroom. Look at that, it passes right through to the master bedroom. And when we go back here, you'll see a queen bed. And we're gonna have a huge wardrobe up here you can hang shirts from, as well as our goodie box down there. Plenty of drawers underneath and around. You even have counter space back here. And both sides of the bed are going to have like a little end table for you. You can put your phones there, your drinks there, your book there. And very easy access here to the bathroom. You don't have to go all the way around. You have 2 doors here. Very nice shower. And an actual hallway. And now you can close that off too for privacy with a curtain or the door. And this is a 2 slide out model, so we have a slide for the living room as well as the back bedroom here. So that way you have a full walk around bed. This one's in beautiful shape. You can tell it was stored inside. Like I said, this one only has 36,000 miles on it. Very beautiful. Do have your tow hitch on here already, so you can tow your trailer or your vehicle with you. You're going to have storage. You're going to have all of your pumps. If you have any other further questions about this one, or you'd like to come see it in person, please don't hesitate to give me a call directly. Again, my name is Ashley Lundy, and my direct number is 541-337-2387 here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you so much for watching.